It's just like so long ago since I saw Sailor Moon. Daya is the one who is rewatching like old school stuff now.
Okay. What is the math to normalize a vector?
There we go. Magic girl mice.
The original vector you want to normalize, yes.
Fighting evil
The
by the moonlight.
Length of the original vector.
I cannot song. I don't know this song, and you don't want to hear me sing.
Perfect. Bump is a collision library written in Lua that I've used in Love. I've used it in Pico 8, and now I'm going to be using it in Usagi. But it just offers some very simple AABB collision where they've done all of the difficult collision parts for you, and it just makes it easy. It just makes things easy. So this will be what we use to collide against objects in our world. AABB, yeah. All the way down, that's right. Okay. Yes. There's collision detection in Usagi, but there isn't collision resolution. So the resolution is what I'm using Bump for.
Oops, muted on my end.
Need collision more than AABB in my game? It's probably pretty good. Ah. I need to. I'm gonna make a sprites.png in my branch, but it's going to be just like a box in a circle.
Oh yeah, go ahead. I think it like fully overwrite it if you merge it on code.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking. I just need something to put on the screen. And then since you're the artist, feel free to choose a palette that agrees with you.
An idea came into my mind, but I need to fight with it. You know rubber hose animation?
No.
It's like the old school Disney animation for like the Willy the Boat, I think how is the first cartoon is called.
Okay,
Or like
yeah. Steamboat Willie.
Steamboat Willie, yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
And I guess Cuphead is somewhat in that style as well.
Yes, totally.
Like that old school scratchy art style with like black and white, and cheese can be maybe colored and other stuff. Thing is that needs so much fluidity.
Well, you're the artist.
Oh.
Have fun with that.
Yeah, I will try to come up with something because I don't have any like immediate ideas.
Hi, Eden.
Eden, how you doing? How you doing? Hope you're having a lovely day. On this Friday, what is it? Afternoon, I guess. Not afternoon. There is like a better word for it. What is it?
Evening.
Evening. Ah, words.
English is hard.
Words, and I'm very good with them. So need to switch to like a sprite because probably that is what I'm gonna stare at it for a while. Oh, I'm making small noises. I'm sorry.
No, I love vocal stemming. You can make all the small noises you want.
It's either this or me blasting some kind of techno, trance, like metal stuff is how I
Hell yeah.
doodle around. Forward. I also just realized that I crashed my recording.
Oh no!
Thankfully, I'm recording in like MKV, it's like the Matryoshka or whatever is it called.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love
So
that
it
one.
is recoverable. It is just a pain in the butt.
Sure, that makes sense. Sprite sheet, yeah, borders, output files, sprites.png. Okay, cool. Got what I need. I got a circle and a square.
Rubber resonation
Rubber
is
hose animation.
terrifying. Oh, go ahead.
We were reading the same comment. I've never heard the term rubber hose, but if that's what it is, that makes
That
sense.
is how I know it, I feel like.
Okay.
So,
I don't know anything about animation, so
a small side tangent. I only know it because there's a cartoon show called Steven Universe,
yeah.
and it has like a very distinct style. And there was a movie made for it with like a character, and they wanted to make it very clear that this character is coming from, I guess, from the past. In some terms, it was like frozen in time, not frozen in time, whatever. It's like an older character from like other characters' history who just appeared. And for this reason, no one is animated in this style. In like Steven Universe, it has like a very classical, chunky bean animation, like cartoon animation. And this character is fully animated with a rubber hose instead. And it's very cool to see him interact with
Oh,
others because it is very weird. Not weird, it's like very different from the cast.
yeah, that's really cool.
And that is how I know it is rubber hose. It doesn't feel like 32 by 32, but I guess I was staring so much 32 by 32 for Usagi, like the piercing pixels, that it doesn't feel like, yeah, this is 32 by
Oops. Uh,
mice.
what? What's happening? 320,
Right.
1080. Okay, so um, 180 is not divisible by 32, which is what we are going to run into a lot with 16 by 9 resolution. Um, 180.
I mean, we can go with another one if you want.
Well, I don't think there's going to be something that is divisible easily by 16 and 9. I run into this all the time. Uh, so what we can do is let's do
Or is
5
it 4 by 3 good for this?
5. Oh yeah, Usagi can do whatever resolutions we want, can it?
Yeah, basically it can, yeah.
Oh, okay. 1 second then. Uh where's my clear button? 320 divided by 32 is 10. Yep.
What is my chat
10
looking at?
times
Come with me for
uh
Ratatouille chat.
we did 320. That's 4. 4 wide, 3. So if 32 is 4, then 24,
Yeah,
40,
320 by 240.
240.
It's like the old Doom resolution. I'm almost sure. Not,
So
or Duke Nukem, I
240
don't know.
divided by 32. Oh, wait.
Is it not?
I'm being confused. 1 second.
No worries, no worries.
32 times 10.
Might have pulled that number out of my
32
booty cheeks.
times uh let's do 6.
LTDK is really cool, yeah. And the Fletch is just winging it on a jam. Because why not?
Yeah, cuz why not? I did some practice the other day. How would you feel about 320 by 192? That gives us a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 height in terms of tiles. If a tile is 32 by 32, it gives us a 6 by 10 map.
If you want to align stuff to the grid, isn't that a bit too small?
Maybe.
I mean, this can be explored later. Like setting resolution is very easy, so you can.
That's fair. That's. I'll do this for now then, and then we'll change it later.
Yeah, like you can tinker up the POC, like shooting
Cool.
stuff. Do you have like a palette preference in like number of colors or such?
No, I don't. Choose whatever you like. I usually like to lean towards restricted palettes, somewhere between like 4 and 6 to between 4 and 8 colors, I think is a good um amount. But
Mm-hmm.
if you want to use more or less, that's totally fine with me.
No, fine. Just trying to look up either a palette or just load up the Pico 8 one and use just X amount of colors.
Palette.
So probably want something orange and something grayish. No white. Hmm. Surely nothing comes up if I search cheese on Lowspec.
Oops.
That is my usual workflow. An amount?
Valid.
There is a cheese palette.
Hell yeah.
28 colors though. Ugh, that's a bit much.
That's fun.
It doesn't have the grays. Of course, by Gores. Oh, you know them?
Layers. Tiles. Sprites. There we go.
What color palette question mark 121 color? What is this?
Cool.
Centennial fruit cake. What are these palette names? The Mad Lad.
Okay,
Oh,
so the
this is
cheese being thrown, in my opinion, doesn't have to be 32 by 32, but it's up to you. Am I still sharing my screen on Discord? I am not.
I have your stream like on second window.
Okay, that's fair. But yeah, this is what it would look like at the current resolution I've selected. So you're right, it is a bit small. We could make it bigger. But for now, this is just what I'll use to indicate
Yeah.
changes, whatever.
Like changing screen size is two numbers basically.
Yeah.
I want to save this color palette. I like this
Entities.
for myself.
Law.
They're a great pixel artists, but they had beef with the low spec folks, so he tried to provoke them with these kind of palettes. Oh no. That doesn't sound like a good thing, or I guess it is malicious compliance. It's weird because having grays and oranges is like a very specific thing.
Add a layer. Entities.
And I don't particularly cling to the Pico 8 palette for now. It's very saturated, Sweetie 16. Cheese palette to go with the beef palette.
Oh, okay.
Palette charcuterie board.
There we go.
Oh yeah, I'll just put some lo-fi music if I can in the background.
Hell yeah.
But it might be a little bit of volume I need to check though.
Fill opacity. There we go. Save. Cool.
Jinx, how you doing? Welcome.
Hi, Jinx. Hi, Lemon. We are working on a game together.
It took us some time to do it. But we arrived here.
Yeah.
Also, huge hats off to learning LTDK on the fly.
Thanks. We'll see how it goes, but I think it'll be fine. It's just JSON, you know? What could go wrong?
What can go?
I am going to open up the code I use to load
More grace on this.
things in my playground.
Nonner is a good palette though. I drew with Nonner for a while.
Main init level. Boop.
How goes games times? We have an idea about throwing cheese at mice on the moon, because the moon is made out
Yeah.
of cheese. But like at the moment, that is very stand. I need to look. I guess I can download this for now.
Local level data is equal to Usagi.read JSON. Relative to data. Okay. Gotta be a string. Cheese simplified / name.
I'm gonna do an asset folders if you don't mind, just for the time being.
Yeah. Go ahead.
And we can go back to the sprite. I lagged so hard, oh my god. Next time I need a coffee before stream. Holy.
Valid. It is pretty late for you, so no worries.
I mean, I guess it's like 9:30 almost. Not bad. It's just the mental load of thinking about a game jam, about art, about speaking in English and streaming, and still being a little anxious, you know?
That totally makes sense.
I guess that is the brain load.
Yeah, there's a lot of brain use happening. No worries.
Oh yeah, if I want to do chunky outlines, I cannot do that sprite. Do you want to do the outlines by code, or do you want to bake it into the sprites?
I was expecting they would be baked into the sprites, but I have not written outline code myself in pixel art, but I've heard that it's expensive to do. Thank you so much for the quack, Jinx. Appreciate you.
It depends on Usagi, but sure, I can bake it into.
Okay.
Not sure how the engine handles it, because on Pico 8 you can do it just fine.
Gotcha. Sure, that makes sense. Do we need to do this?
What a day to see, oh my god. I'm gonna send you this on Discord, just so you also experience this image.
Hell yeah.
But like, I'm not sure if it is I mean, it's nothing not safe for work, but I'm searching for mice art, and this came up to me, and I'm like, what? My eyes.
Yeah, I won't be showing that on stream, but that is so funny. Oh my god. I don't think we need to do this. Or this.
I mean, Daya can cheat because she can look over my shoulder.
Oh yeah, of course.
But I'm gonna spare others from this menace that was unleashed
Totally
on me.
valid. Totally valid.
Haven't had coffee today. Me neither. I just had energy drinks. So I sometimes mix the two. Not mix, it's like swap, I guess. My eyes. Like funny to see our BTTV emotes on chat on Fletchy's chat not showing up. Like the
Oh, oops. Yeah, I don't have that.
yeah, no worries. Oops. Hmm. Okay, let's try to some nice things. Oh yeah, I can see my chat if I have watched your stream muted.
Oh.
It's like the 10 IQ move or 100 IQ move. Hmm.
Querying the world. Point segment. Basic UI. Cells. Right.
Yeah, so Curb, you are also coming to the gym. You mentioned collisions. If you are still here. I don't even know how to draw like a chef head. It needs a dimple. Yes.
Oh, not that.
Also jamming. Let's go.
Do so. Add response.
I heard John Usagi being scared of the engine being picked up so soon. Like I guess Brett. Just jokingly, people call him John Usagi on the Discord server from time to time.
New world. Responses. Huh. There's no way to get objects out of the world. Very interesting. I'll track those separately.
Don't have a pink in this palette. Tail. I guess this.
Oh yeah, if you want to see a cheese art and what is happening on his screen, let me pin this link for everybody.
Oh, you know what I could do? Now that I think about it, I could probably pop your stream out, make a window capture of it, and put it up in the corner.
Oh, clever.
Like usually have my can crop this even like game filters, crop pad. It's like 100. Today.
Why did I create? Okay. I don't need a sprite sheet actually. Can I delete? How do I delete a layer? How do I delete a layer? delete. Aha!
By deleting a layer? What?
I just need to draw the entities. I don't actually need art, and then I can use the graphics functions like rectfill, whatever. So we won't need to have a merge conflict on sprites because I just won't create them.
Oh, that's 5-head. Like actually being smart.
Yay! My thinking noise.
Reminded me of there's like a caveman cooking guy on like short form content. Like makes like cooking videos like this. It was like
Oh, I love that guy. Yes, I know who you're talking about.
So that is what you reminded me of.
Hell yeah.
Just from time to time is recommended by YouTube, and I'm like, I'm never not gonna click one of those videos.
Hell yeah. Okay, that should all be good to go. Then the final thing I need to do is
Where the FPS again?
big.
Guess I have too many windows open. Try to. There we go. Get rid of that. I really have to go and buy more RAM
Oh no.
in this economy? I have 16. Like, is that not enough?
It should be. I feel like 16 is pretty reasonable. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Hooray, runtime error. Attempt to index a nil value. Global level data. Neat. That's good.
My device is suffering from encoding. What the heck am I encoding with?
Oh, duh. Source dot load level.
I need to look up. Hardware. What is hardware encoding? Do you know it? Is that like the CPU or is it the GPU?
Hardware is GPU.
Might need to.
Software
switch.
is CPU.
Can you switch that on the fly?
You might not. I don't think so. I think you would need to stop and restart.
Dang it. So I guess my GPU is having a rough time.
Oh, interesting.
So I'm getting like big frame rendering lags, I guess.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's
That's no good.
I have an old NVIDIA card, and like Linux and old NVIDIA cards don't go really well hand in hand.
That's fair.
Fletchy stream is not Fletchy streaming.
Oh, level 0 not. Ah, that's the problem.
Okay, I closed a few Firefox windows and it solved it.
Okay, good.
Somewhat. Hopefully.
I'm so silly. Slash data.json. There we go. Now, if I Usagi Dev. What? In for iterator, main.lua35. Entity swaps. Oh, wall. Oh,
Classic Lua.
spelling.
I love how Lua doesn't care about this. It doesn't warn you.
Yay! Yeah. Okay, we are taking stuff from LDD, the level designer toolkit, and putting it into Usagi now.
Chad, do you like my mouse? How do you like my mouse?
Oh, I wish I could see your screen.
Should I share it on Discord?
No, it's okay. If your computer's already struggling, there's no need to.
You know what?
Dia loves it though. Hell yeah.
Let's try and we will see.
Okay.
And OBS will shout at
Oh,
me.
that's so cute. Oh my god.
Probably we could do the hand by like code to like depending on the angle you should.
Yes.
Like somewhere here.
Hell yeah.
Maybe even the whole
Well,
hand.
yeah, totally.
I don't know.
And then we
question
can
for
flip it
later.
left and right depending on the yeah.
Small chubby guy just like me. Good mouse, let's go.
If I pop this out.
I'm not fully happy with it, but for a first pass it is.
It's so cute. Well done.
Thank you. Select universe, select modify. So for anyone who is not familiar with my background, this is basically how I have fallen in love with game jamming, like the idea. Because I'm not even sure what the game jam was. It is where Nuclear Throne was made first. These were called Junkings, maybe something like that at first. And they streamed the whole event, and I watched it with my roommate, and we fell in love with game development even more. And like now, I am the one who is streaming online the jam. It's weird. The circle is complete.
Yeah.
That needs more outline. Can I do more outline? To make it smaller. It needs to be chubbier.
Chubbier.
Lost. Okay. Oh, that is so much chunk. I might test out later if I can do like how Usagi handles code-based outlines.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because having at least 2 is already making the sprites like what, 30 by 30? No, it's like even small, 28 by 28, right? Because I'm sacrificing
Yeah,
at least 2
that's fair.
pixels on every side.
Totally.
Which
And if 32 by 32 feels like it's too big, we can always go down to like 24 by 24 or 16 by 16. Like I don't care if we.
If everything, I would love bigger maybe, but we will
Okay.
check this first. 'Cause I love exploring this area of pixel art at the moment. 'Cause I always do 8x8 stuff in Pico 8, basically.
Yeah, for sure.
Except like a few like menu backgrounds and thumbnails and such. Okay, zoomed out, it doesn't look that bad. Oh,
Press. What else? I see. I see. So if I come back to here and I say local bounds is equal to put dot mouse over. If in bounds and input dot mouse pressed input dot mouse left.
don't press the
then we
mice,
will-
feed them.
Yeah, that's fair. To spawn a bullet. Function spawn bullet.
Now, what was that? Oh, I'm on the wrong layer. Classic, classic, classic. Oh, Daya, did you know that there is an Usagi Dev book where the developer shows you through few example easy games to develop? I was talking recently with Daya about maybe stepping into the world of game development.
Ooh, hell yeah. That's exciting.
There is an Usagi book, yes, it is fully free. It's not even a book, it is just a website, I guess. But now I'm too stupid. It is spelled out everywhere for you. Where's
Just
the
give me a
body?
formula.
I forgot to move the body. Move your body, everybody body. Let me link you guys. Usagi Engine. I'm pretty sure on the website it is linked. Book. Indeed. Indeed, it is linked there.
OBS, hello? We still good?
I see your stream.
That's good. My stream is
It might be, hold on, it might
lagging
be
for some
frozen.
reason. Yeah.
Oh? I see WikiHow and how to derive unit vectors.
Yeah, that's not on my screen anymore.
Oh.
Haley, thanks for claiming your daily duck.
Haley, welcome, welcome.
Haley, I hope that your fundraiser earlier today went well. If you can still hear me, I don't know if OBS is working or not, but
I can hear you, so they can hear you.
Okay, perfect.
But yeah, the stream seems down.
Haley was raising money for forget what the name of the foundation is called, but a charity that researches and supports people with myalgic encephalomyelitis, and I hope it went well.
I will need help on what that actually means because I'm not familiar with the term.
Oh my god. Hi, Marina. You don't have to pay money to be here. I know you do it every time, but it's not necessary.
They bring the
You saw
coffee.
Usagi? Thought it was Sailor Moon? Yeah, I'm sorry. It's
I
a
mean,
game engine.
but the team is Moon, so... And
It's
we're doing a
true.
Usagi Game Engine.
That's true. That's a very good point. Getting some stuttering? Yeah, I think... Oh, interesting. Wait. Is it when I run Usagi that OBS gets upset?
Oh, is it?
I can't tell.
It's frozen now. Could we be messing with the frame buffer when it starts to like load for the GIF capture? It might be like an interesting error that
Oh, interesting.
Brett
Maybe.
is not familiar with.
Oh no, now we pay in taxes here? No, no taxes. That's so funny.
Okay, you are back for me on the stream, so...
Okay, good. Yeah, I closed Usagi. So I'll just run it for short periods of time.
Wow, it will live wide if that was actually the issue.
Yeah, I
But
agree.
someone also mentioned that it runs very bad on their... I guess that is a Mac, but... Is it too late to make your red character also a magical girl? Slash joking. New frame. I don't have the right yellow for this. Hold on.
Table dot insert bullets bullet. Or be in bullets do. Oh right, I needed to learn how to normalize a vector.
There you go. You have a magical girl mice on our hand. I guess the head doesn't make sense now,
yeah.
but... I don't remember how the scepter looks anymore because it's like some kind of pink and maybe there's like a star in the middle. I don't... It's just like so long ago since I saw Sailor Moon. Daya is the one who is rewatching like old school stuff now.
Okay. What is the math to normalize a vector?
There we go. Magic girl mice.
The original vector you want to normalize, yes.
Fighting evil
The
by the moonlight.
Length of the original vector.
I cannot song. I don't know this song and you don't want to hear me sing. So
Find the magnitude using the formula. Divide each component by the magnitude.
okay. I said this again somehow and I don't understand how.
I got it. Okay.
Save it for later. There you go.
Local magnitude is equal
to...
isn't there a Usagi distance?
There might be one, yeah. I'm not fully familiar with like the vector part of it, but there might be one.
Oh, there's a vector normalize?
That is your problem
That's what I
solved.
want to do. That's crazy. Okay. That's amazing. I mean, uh,
You can set loop. Yeah, set loop section. Oh, go here.
normalize.
Flag. Could be a secret skin. We are going Migu mode again.
Migo mode.
Just go Usagi mode.
Gonna play all the Jam games on stream? Probably not. I have a I have never played Jam games that I've participated in that Jam on stream, and that's because I am a very opinionated person, and I am worried that I would blurt out words that would make someone feel bad. And so I like to play the games privately and type up a nice response that I can like reread and double check. So I have a personal policy of not playing Jam games on stream. But Achi does that. So if you want to see Achi's thoughts and reviews, I'm
Yeah,
assuming you'll do
I'm
that for
bold
this
like
stream.
that.
Yeah.
I mean, I try to
What the
be.
shit talk?
I try to be always constructive, but yeah, I'm doing that. Not
When
all
something's
games,
low
probably.
effort or when something's low effort, frequently I need to try a little harder to say nice things.
I mean, I shit talk the guy who spammed everyone's game with the same command for all the playthroughs.
Oh right.
So like, not shit talk,
Nice.
but like, you're at the very band. We don't pay you now and things like that. Like,
Yeah.
I am
for
opinionated on things that I like to voice, but otherwise, I always try to be at least constructive, even if the game is like in a bad state. I don't like how the leg doesn't move. I mean, this mouse won't move, so that is telling me in the background that try moving it back and forth. But this is the like I assume the mouse who shoots the cheese won't move, right? Like we're gonna be in a
Correct.
stationary position.
Yeah, the mouse will be stationary and the targets will be stationary, but the cheese that gets fired will move around the level.
So I'm like trying to cook up a stationary idle frame. It's like this stupid two-frame
that'd be
thing I
cute.
do.
Yeah, I love the two-frame.
It has this charming feel to it, but
It really does, yeah.
might be too much. Like how it jumps. Give money to Soren Sprout. Fletch wants to shit talk all the other geometries on his own.
Oh.
I mean, confirmed, but said nicer. I'm not sure how many entries do we have, honestly. Usagi Jam. I try to play as many web playable games on Jams. 174 joined. There is no way I will be able to play
That's
all
so
of the
many.
games. Yeah, that feels so many. But we will have to see, because I think someone is like trying to get together a team of like 5 or 4 or something like that. On the Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the bump is too much here. So delete the background. I like how the head moves, so we're gonna save that.
That's what I need to do.
Reset. That became a dinosaur. I forgot to hit everything. The one thing I don't enjoy about streaming art is that people can see how bad I actually am by the time I figure out
see.
how it actually looks.
That's fair.
I want to cut like somewhere here. Oh. Like much. Guess the head should. So everyone else in the chat has an okay weekend plan, which does not include sitting at the computer for 8 hours a day.
I hope that you don't feel the need to spend that much.
I don't feel the need, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
Let's go.
I mean, not 8 hours, but like that is my main time.
Yeah,
like,
I got you.
Is this too much again? Might be too much again, but yeah. My exact plans and some drawing. Preferably 12. My man!
Let's go!
At least stand up and move around. Please don't sit 12 hours in one place without moving. 10 minutes an hour. Per hour. I don't know how to say that properly. Stand up, move around, grab some water. Take a look at outside and decide that staying inside was the better idea. Things like that. Why is this so big? That's what she said. I try to do it quiet.
You're all good.
Touch some grass. I would take shrimp at the computer over celebrating my nation's birthday.
Valid. So
somewhat
valid.
of a sad joke, but still a joke. Why does it look like that he's weird? Oh, because I'm actually reducing the body. And the belly is disappearing. We cannot have no belly. At least this part of the stream is a belly lover. There we go. Hand is weird. I need to get rid of the hand on the sprite because it's not gonna exist on the...
Dot 2 actual x b dot y is equal to actual y.
Huh? Did you start, Usagi?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh no. No?
Okay, then it's my internet.
But
then.
no, it is my OBS says 0 kilobytes per second.
Oh.
Very good. Oh, and now we're getting a raid. Oh no.
You can still greet them. They can hear me. They can hear you from this side. Welcome in, Raiders. How you doing? How you doing? Raid so powerful it crashed Fletch's stream. Penguin Raid. And her nestlings are wandering in. I love
Okay, let me
penguins.
see if it's. I'm gonna.
Ah.
Sorry, I'm gonna stop streaming my Discord and see if that helps at all.
Sure. Sorry, I should have told you to stop it like an hour ago.
No, you're all good.
There's a 3 mono.
Patience.
It will boot up soon. It ain't a proper round without technical difficulties, indeed. How you doing? What were you up to on your stream? We started the stream with Fletch crashing first, then immediately me as well. It's like the universe is feeling the power that is gathering here and trying to stop us.
Yeah, I know, seriously. Hi, Sasasi. Hi, Bye Space. Welcome in. Hello, Raiders. Hi, Becca. Hi, Raiders. So sorry about that. Hello. If you don't know who I am, my name is Fletch. I am a variety streamer here on Twitch.tv. Today I'm joined by my lovely friend, Achi. We're working on a game jam together. We're just getting started. We're in the early stages, so if you want to see the art getting made, Achi is currently doing some stuff in Sprite, and I'm currently working on some basic code. So sorry about that, Raiders. I hope you had a lovely stream, By Space. What were you up to today? What were you doing? It's lovely to see you.
Such a lovely username. They were at your stream at least once, right? Because I kinda vaguely remember the Space Penguin name.
Yes, they have been here before.
Ah, haha. Paying attention. I'm so bad about names, by the way. I cannot tell you how bad I am. Like, I meet with someone, we shake hands, they tell me their names, and in like 2 seconds I forgot it already.
Is minus equals. Attempt to move.
Persze nyugodtan. I'm trying, I'm just so bad at remembering. We played a run of Hades and switched to V Rising. Ooh, Hades 1 or 2?
That sounds so fun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good, great question. Hades 1 or 2?
Hades 2 is out like in beta, right? Or something like early access or whatever they are calling it.
I think.
Or was it fully?
Hades 2 is it. I think it's fully out now.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, that's okay. V Rising looks so cool. I love the vampire.
Yeah, I saw videos about it like very early when it came out. I'm not sure where they had it. The game looked interesting. It just felt like it was trying to do 2 different gameplay styles.
Sure.
But I haven't looked at it in a long while. What is this, a crossover episode? Feels like it. We are crossing over the crashes as well.
Why is this file formatted with 2 spaces and this file is formatted with 4 spaces?
I know, right? Graham does the same and I cannot tell you why. I'm angry because of it, just as the frog. It has like an angry frog mascot. Hades 1 wanna beat it before moving over to the second one. Oh. There's like so many like side characters and such you can do there. Like lore, I guess is the better term. Good luck. I need to play more Risk of Rain too before the new DLC comes out.
Ooh, hell yeah. Speedy Sprout. Supergiant Games, your favorite studio? Hell yeah. Have you played Pyre? Pyre was really good, in my opinion. Okay, so a couple things. One, they're not bouncing. and 2, they're firing the opposite direction that they're supposed to go.
Oopsies.
Debugging time.
These are my favorite moments in game developing, when you first
Yeah.
launch something and it does exactly the opposite thing you want to do it. Agile? No! Not the
Pyre's
agile.
underrated, truly. Not the agile, I'm sorry. Soren loves Pyre. Hell yeah. Okay, now they're fighting the correct direction.
Wait, why
But they
can I
aren't
not?
bouncing.
Why can I
Why not
type a
bounce?
semicolon? Oh, wrong layer. Oops. Split keyboard things.
Print. Other. See what happens.
Hmm.
That's not helpful. Name. Oh, am I a goofball? I sure am. Yay! That's something.
Almost.
Almost.
Getting there.
Yeah.
I could listen to the Super Giant Games soundtracks. Now I have to check those out. So we are saving it later.
Okay, so for
I need to listen to more soundtracks. Now I'm drawing in frames, but I should not draw in frames. I should draw on the sprite sheet itself. Problems for later.
And 10. That should be 5.
Gonna move this mouse. Let's try making another mouse. Mice. Mouse. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
singular.
Nice mouse, yeah.
Thing is, I don't want to make the outline. Can I do this and... No. Can you select through multiple layers? I need to look into that. I don't think you all can.
v.vx v.vy is equal to util.vec normalize.
Guess we don't need... What? Mies? English, right? At least for Hungarian, we solved that with just one appendum that you can do. I guess it transforms based on like the vowel harmony in the root word, but yeah.
Hi Mira, great to see you. Enjoy your lurk by space. Thanks for being here. Sorry, I'm having trouble switching between chat and code.
Yeah, enjoy the lurkies. Thank you for jumping into Fletch's and my stream that way. Maybe soundtrack is good for locking in when you do study or work. Time to test it out. Where is this line coming from? From the mice, how? Get
How do I get the normal? Collision, normal, XY. Okay. For I equals 1 length do local collision is equal to calls I if collision dot normal dot x. Wait.
I think I'm gonna listen to the Bastion soundtrack. Oh, it is so good, the Bastion soundtrack.
Let's go!
Oh my god. Oh, I love it. And the... Oh, what is the game with the girl and the sword? It is a sword. Like the mute girl and the sword. Transistor? Is it called Transistor? Transistor. Yeah. That is also so good. This is a mute girl, right? I'm not misremembering the lore. Haven't played it though, so like, hands up a bit. She loses her voice. Oh. Mute is the word, right? Or is it like a different word for those who cannot speak for some reason? I don't know. English. But she's a singer. Oh.
Yay!
Oh.
Okay, the spacing is a little weird, but
It
we
bounces.
have bounces.
Let's go.
Let's go! We don't need to print this anymore. Okay, how are we gonna fix the issue of...
I accidentally clicked on the frame where I have the magical girl mouse and it caught me off guard.
Okay. So if I just do...
Do you want cheese to bounce off each other?
I don't know yet.
I don't know yet. Okay. Noted.
My thought was in the other games there's usually only one bullet on screen, and then you like wait for that bullet to despawn either by bouncing too many times or by reaching a mouse. And then you get to fire your next shot. But we could change the logic of the game, however.
Could I have a cheesy boing sound? What does this sound like?
Cheesy
Indeed.
sound.
Up to your imagination. You know how squeaky cheese sounds like? My parents make a lot of fresh cheese at home, and fresh cheese is squeaky.
Interesting.
There's a little squeak as you chomp on it. Fresh goat cheese is something else, I gotta tell you. You have to love goat cheese for it, but oh, just brine in salt and I'm a happy man. Next time I go home, I have to ask for some.
Why is this wall so... What?
I guess I could do a little bigger belly. Oh yeah. Oh my god. This is such a great idea. Good job, me.
Hell yeah.
Wait, why does this one not bounce?
Oh no, OBS crashed again.
Hexagon, Pentagon, Fletch is gone.
Yep.
Oh no.
Okay. I'm just gonna stop streaming entirely and let everything be on your stream. Go to the pinned message. I'll just hang out as a guest with the
What does this feel
cheese
different?
now.
Oh. No, it's 2-1. The heck?
Oh dear.
Oh, this is not growing, this part. So it's probably better to delete this one. I mean, I can be live for like another hour or so.
Yeah, I mean, I should wrap up in a little bit anyways. And then I'll work some more after dinner.
Dinner. What are you eating?
Probably it's
If you
Friday,
don't
so it's
mind.
pizza.
Ooh,
Friday's
Pizza
pizza night.
Friday.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Let's go. Oh, I like that belly bounce so much.
That's so cute.
I just added this like stretch, I guess. You know, like animation things of like when you squish something, it scratches in another direction.
Yeah.
Like squish it from the top, so it stretches on the other one, and it works way better than
Yeah.
I thought it would.
The hat being floppy is very nice too. I like that a lot.
Let's go. I'm glad you like it. I'm like animating in a weird way at the moment because it should be like sprites next to each other, but I will figure something out.
Yeah, no, that's all right.
I'm not sure if you can do like a preview of like an animation with different. It's like this is frame 1 and this is frame 2, and preview that.
Yeah, I don't know. That's a good question.
Where is Corbin? We need him. Very good animation work. Thank you. I'm glad you like it. I don't like the eyes at the moment and like the legs, but for like an initial something something, it is okay, I guess. But if you don't like it, Fletch, feel free to like.
I'm happy.
Oh yeah, I need to redo the outline. Sound is very different.
Childhood cartoons for sure. Those eyes have seen things.
The cheese. The moon is out of cheese. Of course they are surprised. You know the cartoon, what is it, the two mice cartoon? Like Pinky and the Brain?
Yeah, Pinky and the Brain. Oh, for sure.
And I just learned recently that in Hungarian, they kept Pinky as Pinky, like the name, so we are also calling it Pinky. But the brain guy is translated to vase, which is basically danger, I guess. So it rhymes as well in Hungarian, because they say Pinky and the vase. Like so interesting that they like, yeah, Pinky can stay Pinky, but the other guy's gonna be vase for some reason.
Yeah, fascinating.
There you go. There you go. If you definitely Little Mole vibes. If you know, you know. Most people probably don't. The Little Mole. I'm not sure how you guys call it. I think we talked about this at some point. We have like an old cartoon. Like, is it Polish or Czech? I forgot. Like a little mole doing cute things. Little Mole. Yeah. How can I guess the stream is somewhat saying this. Let me. There's no Fletchy stream. It's like a cute little mole doing cutesy little things with his friends. And it's like
Aww.
peak Eastern Soviet bloc cartoon as like the 90s, 80s, 90s kids. This is very cool. I forgot, it's either Czech or Polish. But Raven is gonna correct me in like a moment. I guess there is no Fletch stream anymore.
Nope.
Czech. I
It's
guess.
all gone.
I made the pixel, but I don't think I will be able to jam Burnout. No. I mean, it's valid, of course. Like, rest is needed. And from the 60s originally. Oh my god. Hope you have some time, Wolf, to like wind down. I can definitely relate on like the Burnout part. Making 12 games in 1 year was not a good idea. Been there, done there, don't suggest, or like not suggest. What is the word? There's a better word. Recommend, I think. This is not inverted. Now I'm gonna take a week's break. And are you coming back for the last week, or are you gonna not do anything for the gym? Because technically, I did post the art to Usagi server, so I win the gym. Expand to... Not gonna rush, cool.
Hooray!
Rest is very much needed in like the creative space. It's very underrated. Just like sit back and do. I guess fuck all. Now I can say it because I'm not co-streaming with Fletch.
Yeah! You could have said that while we were co-streaming anyways.
I just don't want to be that guy. Why not
I swear all
Control
the time
O?
on my stream.
What do you mean Control O? Is there like an outline? I guess there is an outline function. Yeah, you're right. But can it do 2 pixel wide?
In Sprite, I just click outline twice.
I mean, that is a smart play, yeah. But like, can it do 2 outline? Well, that reminds me of the post by Kenny. What post? I need sources. And the water, because I'm parched.
Okay, so now
Back, let's go.
should do. Is there a way to remove from
What's the fizz? Okay. Okay. Gotta grab some water. Squeaky chair. Jó, fracture meg. PT. Yapping in Hungarian. Mert ti nem tudjátok, hogy mit beszélek. Ha-ha-ha! Így jártatok mindenhol. Tanuljátok meg ezt a fura nyelvet, és akkor tudjátok, hogy a japponok így. Őképp semmiről. Yeah. Of course, I was like, you cannot understand me, but I'm yapping about nothing, and I said that as well in Hungarian and realized my mistake.
Let's go.
Yapping in Hungarian. Teach me a Hungarian word. What did you yap about? I was just basically yapping about I'm gonna talk in Hungarian and you guys gonna not understand what I'm talking, which is gonna be funny. So just learn the language so you understand that I'm not talking about anything. This is basically what I said. No fossom though, unless my ears failed me. No, there was no fossom there. For example, we can, not we, I know the word. You can learn egér today. Once my keyboard also wants this. But like this with like the accented E, which is A in our language. And this basically means mice. Oh yeah, mouse. Yeah. Valid. That is like in the background. What do you mean? This is the singular, not the plural. But the plural is egerek. Because we have these something k. It's like this suffix. And it usually comes with a vowel, where the vowel transforms based on the harmony of the root word. And since Egir starts with E and has this, there's like a rule or like which vowels belong to one of two groups. So that is because it is E and A, it transforms into A as well. So like after the R, there's an E. That's crazy. And this is one of the points that I feel like can be kind of hard to learn when you're learning Hungarian. But we have like two words which gonna tell you how this works. Because they are like a part of like a... And I'm not sure how like to say this in English. There's like two pairs of vowels that generally divide this into two parts. There are words which can use both, but on those places you can use whatever you want. For example, fotel is basically the armchair, the one that you can sink into, you know, like those puffy ones. And if you're in the fotel, so like if you're in something, use these ban bon suffix. So like houses has, in the house has bon, but fotel is weird due to O and E being in different groups. So technically you can say fotel ban and fotel bon, and both is correct. Language lessons. I'm sorry.
Lessons.
I'm sorry,
That's
Fletch,
so fun.
for yapping.
No, that's okay. I'm having fun. I have gotten bounces to work, and the bullets despawn after a certain number of times.
Ooh, let's go.
I will stop here and
Just rest. Grab some food.
Yeah.
Do your own stuff, you know, weekend, Friday.
Yeah.
I'm humbled.
But yeah, I will be communicating with you via Discord and updating. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you for jumping in. Thank you for collabing.
Yeah, no, thank you. I'm really excited about this. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your stream. And this mouse is looking so cute. I can't wait.
Oh, I'm glad you like it. I want to do one with like a hard head as well, and like little variations.
Oh my god! Yes, that would be so fun.
Once we get to it.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Well,
lovely time.
Evening.
Yeah, have a great rest. Bye-bye. I'm gonna be on for a little bit more. Hold on. Bye, Fletch. Bye, Fletch. I understand a total of nothing, but it is still crazy. I love languages lessons on HGC. Thank you. I hope you all learn something at some time. I mean, Hungarian is all about like prefixes and suffixes. We are like an so-called agglutination language, where we basically form words and like we don't have like these words that English has. So like in the house, like in the, you know, those are like pointing into something. We don't have those kind of words in our language. We modify root words with suffixes and prefixes, so like stuff before and stuff after it. Like very few languages, to my understanding, that do this, and most of them are like on the other side of the globe, if I remember correctly. Stream, YouTube. And there you go. Such a cool collab. Honestly, I'm so glad that Fletch reached out. Like, I think I talked about this a few times and talked with Fletch about this. I've been solo. I mean, there is two reasons to being solo. Like, one is that all what is the word? Felelősség. Segíts, asszony. All the responsibilities fall onto me. Thank you, there. So, like, if something is messed up, it is only because of me, and I don't mess up someone else's work. Two, I had some bad collabing experiences in the past, and I was like, I'm just not gonna do it, and it is easier that way. So hold on, Shift O. Problem occurred. But yeah, because okay, that is why I'm like not doing it that way. Because my outline is on a different layer at the moment. Because we do not know if we want to have baked in outlines or want to do it with code. Yeah, I'm gonna show you this in a moment. I was like, so I'm not sure how much familiarity you have with like animation lessons and such. But like one of the in like old school animation, one of the rules is if you squash something, so like if you push it from the top and the bottom, it expands the sides. Like how everything bounces. This is like a squash and stretch or something like that. And I was like, maybe as the mouse comes down, I can stretch its belly, you know, because matter does not change, it stays in the same. So like, look, I guess the shadow is a bit weird. Like, look, how much better is it that the belly is like doing the boing boing? I so much like it. Stop the animation. I can definitely imagine collab being a nightmare sometimes, but the one time I did it was a blast. I think it is key knowing the person. Yeah, and that is why when Fletch, I cannot speak, it is late. Like 12:30 at this point. So this is why when Fletch was like, hey, do you want to collab maybe? And I was like, you know one? Yeah. Let's do it. I'm down. Big collab. Honestly, it is... Oops. It is wild how we did not collab before. With like both of us being into Love 2D and Pico 8 and even the Playdate. I'm not like very deep into my like Playdate area yet. But like both of us, I guess I don't develop in Godot, but basically do the same thing, which is just more cozy and wholesome and just a lovely bean than me. And I'm just your yapper from Eastern Europe who is like, yeah, fuck yeah, shit. I don't know. I won't say I'm like a much rougher stream because that is not true, but I can say that my vibes are not as calming and wholesome as Switch is, for example. Like we do have our style differences, but like the overall stuff that we do is almost basically the same. Bober kurva, indeed. Bober kurva jepper duck jepper kolom. I mean, that is a description of all descriptions. You know what I would love? If this ear flopped a little. Quick, Slayer, sorry, wait, no. Nope. I think it's mostly because the time zones and work stuff. What do you mean? Hold on, I'm lost a bit. Help me. Oh, you mean we did not collab due to the time zones? I mean, that could be a part, yeah. I mean, that ear flops a little, but I'm not sure if it is. I mean, it's somewhat noticeable. I have this background so I can see, like, colors clearly. Like, non-background colors. Can you troll Fletch by adding a bow bear curve? I mean, that is the part of trolling that I wouldn't do without like before considerations. They need to make a logo, by the way, where Fletch's dog stands on my sour cream, like the cat. Like the mice. Not that magical mode would... I mean, I still do have the magical girl mice. She's not gone. She's there. It probably would be better on this mice, honestly. Instead of these chef mice, but... It's not that hard, honestly, to do. It's like 2 if lines where we change which sprite you are drawing depending on which one I want. We need another mice, and then we can probably... And for today, I needed like 4 in. Is this 4? This seems like 4. This 4. That is 4. Mouse skins. Imagine like rolling the cheese gotcha chest for like mouse skins. Yeah. Make it gotcha. You know what would be cool? Oh, that would be so much sprite work. Unlockable heads for your mice. But like, how do you unlock them? Like, I assume we're not gonna make like a long game. It kind of depends how fast we are done, and then we can just brainstorm and like doodle up levels. I don't know. Picking up stuff. These tokens, picking up stuff. Oh, you mean like in a tricky spot there would be like a pickup and then you can unlock the head? Maybe, hold on. I'm not against the idea. So the concept is a game where we are like on the moon, we are some kind of cave, or I don't know, we haven't figured that one out. But basically, we are playing this chef mice who is putting cheese at the other mice, and the cheese just bounces on the screen, and eventually either disappears or it hits the mice, and then the mice is fed cheese, and he's happy. So the root idea of this was... where is it? This is the Fletch and Nerdy. Why is it not here? Codebug. Request. Oh, Fletch made the pull request already. The king. Go to code, go to... Did he merge bridge documents now? Look at this link there. So like the base idea that we are doing, just a little bit cutified, I guess, would be the term. What to do with this mice? Do we want to make the hard hat mice? I don't have... I guess this is my bright yellow. It should be like for the cheese, but I guess we can use it for the hat. I know that like colored hats mean different things, if I remember correctly, in like industrial areas. I remember correctly. So I don't know how to like do the ear now, because this mouse has like this mouse has a chef head, but this clearly has enough space to be like, I don't even remember how to draw a hard hat, which is weird because I have one on my factorial get up. That's a cowboy hat, not a hard hat. So this area would be much larger. And we would have like some kind of fortification on the top. I feel like this is too much. Nah. Let it be a comically large hat. It is more funny. Oh, I don't like that. Like not simply colored as all the other parts. Bongorio, indeed Bongorio. Would the single color work? This looks weird because of this. I feel like if I... Something's wrong, I can feel it. I'm sorry for zooming in and out, by the way. That is sadly part of my work process. Where's the ear? Ear. 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 Now I'm like so confused how a hard hat should look on a mouse. Oops. I don't want to merge the outline yet. What I should do though, just pretend the ears are folded. Yeah. Thing is, I still don't. I guess this is also tugged in because the ear should show here on that mouse. That mouse. I'm gonna be saying mice so much. Let's do one more to each side. Get rid of this. And the line for it. I feel like with color it will be too much. Hold on, can I do it with this color? And maybe it is not that bad with this one. Hmm. I don't know. I guess this mic could have something in his hands. Give it a wrench. We're just still doodling, by the way, because we haven't like fully. Or at least I don't feel like we fully logged in the style yet. There you go. Work mice. Can you shift this way? Oh, I can shift to just a selected area. Can I move now down to a layer? It's probably not how it works, right? How can I select just this one? Because I have the outline for the others. It's probably just better to... I also need to figure out how to export this. Getting late, gotta go. No worries, no worries. Have a great night. Thank you for jumping in. This solid jam work today. Let's go. Don't forget to post it into the VIP channel or the Usagi channel. I will soon deport myself as well. Just need to figure out a way to nicely export this as well. But it might be like the case of saving this and remaking from the frames like another sprites PNG just so Fletch can work with it later. Oh. It does. F9 records the past 5 seconds. I think it's F9. And F8 is, I think it's the screenshot button. Expand to. And I guess tomorrow morning I can play around, probably offline, but play around with if how expensive is drawing outlines in Usagi with code. Because I'm pretty sure if I thin these sprites, it should work just the same as with Pico 8. I'm just not sure how expensive that is in Usagi. Oh, fuck me. Make us the selection. Even better, I might need to even test it in web. Because I heard web can suffer from like performance stuff. And let me copy this over here. And look, we have 3 mice already. Not sure how I can export this though, because this is a very big. I'm pretty sure you can somehow do like export sprite sheet. Vertical strip? No. No. By columns? No. You can somehow do this, I'm pretty sure. At least I could remember. I guess for now I can even just do canvas size. Cute mice, thank you. I'm really glad you enjoy them. And this is 96. I said 96. Look. File, export as. 10 exit. Mice draft. GameDev. Let's go. Animated loop. It might not be the best idea to like export all this into the assets folder, but that is why I created it. Oh, this is not. Save as asset. Sprite sheet. Work draft. File export as 10x. Export yes. Yes. And will this export the weird third frame or? Yep. Okay. We got to save Magical Girl Mice somewhere else. File. Save magic mouse. There we go. I will have to delete it from here. Control H. Would export as. Yes. Let's go. That's what I wanted. Okay. And one more thing I will have to do is sprite, canvas size. I can make like 640. We don't have to go like very big. 640. There you go. Up there. Okay. So frame 1, frame 2. Video posted, actually gotta go. Bye. And now this is an actual spreadsheet. Export as. Show drop PNG. Yeah, you don't own layers. Do you want export? Sure, you can do multiple frames and I will just delete the other one. Delete. Great. This is a spreadsheet. Lovely. Oh, I need cheese. We need cheese. Today I will have to. That will have to be for tomorrow. For now, Fletch can probably draw a circle cheese. Lovely. Lovely. And hold on, I can bring them just so we can end on this cute note for the stream. We have mice. We streamed today. Started a cool collab that I'm really excited about. We have, I think, an idea that seems like Fletch is not against. I'll talk with him, of course, because I don't want to shoot down the other idea. I suggested this because I feel like a cute whimsy idea might have a bigger outreach. Not just outreach, but like, I don't know. I want this cute and whimsy quest for the time being, and shooting cheese at mice sounds funny to me. But yeah, hope you all have fun. My apologies for the technical issues we had. It looks like I can either it is now rendering with my CPU and it is fine because of that, or because I closed a few Firefox windows. HTOP. I mean, the processor is working harder, so it's a 16 thread, so go for it. That is why I bought you. Enjoy, good, cool collab. Let's go. I'm glad you guys like it. I will thank everyone who tuned in, everyone who lasted me for this long. It is almost 11 p.m. here. I will stream tomorrow. Not sure what yet. We will have to talk about. That will fetch, but the usual time here, Saturday. Not sure if it is gonna be 3 hours. We'll have to see, but till then, take care, have a good night, or time zone that you are in. Thanks for jumping in, and see you tomorrow. Bye.